Hi friends, these gorgeous and scrumptious no-bake Lotus Biscoff Cheesecake shorts will take your parties to the next level. This recipe is one of my absolute favorites and I'm so excited to share it with you. So let's get started. So the first step is crush Biscoff cookies in a food processor or in a Ziploc bag until finely ground. Add melted butter and mix well. And divide evenly between individual serving glasses and press them gently to make a nice base and place them in the fridge until we are done with the rest. In a large mixing bowl, combine cream cheese, heavy cream and icing sugar. Beat until soft peaks. Further add Biscoff spread and whisk until well mixed. It's time to assemble these gorgeous shorts. Use piping bag to pour the cheese filling into each serving glass and spoon over it to level them. Place them into the fridge for half an hour so they get firm and it's easier to add the next layer. As you can see, the shorts are all set now. Melt Biscoff spread in the microwave for several seconds until melted. Pour third layer of Biscoff spread and top them with Biscoff biscuit. Cover and place them in the fridge for at least a couple of hours before serving. Here comes our yummy-licious and unresistible Biscoff cheesecake shorts. Hope you enjoyed the video and liked the recipe. Give a thumbs up to this video and press the bell icon for more upcoming amazing recipes soon. Bye-bye.